Did you know one royal woman survived her own execution? A queen was sentenced to death after being accused of treason. She begged for a priest, but none were allowed. Her body was placed inside a coffin, while still conscious. The lid was nailed shut as she screamed for help. 7 hours later, a guard heard faint knocking. They opened the coffin and found her still alive, gasping for air. The king panicked and secretly freed her. Today it's known as the living death burial, one of history's darkest punishments. After her miraculous escape, the queen faced a world forever changed, walking a tightrope between freedom and fear. In secret, she plotted her return to power, knowing that her life hung by a thread. Rumors spread like wildfire throughout the kingdom, and whispers of her survival ignited hope among her loyalists. Allies emerged from the shadows, eager to stand by her side in reclaiming what was rightfully hers. As the queen gathered her strength and support, destiny awaited, ready to rewrite her story.